kind of thinking that Mr. Chair.
It's the right thinking.
I don't believe in you.
Yung former president ba ay willing na mag-cooperate sa investigation sa ICC?
I'm asking the ICC to hurry up. This issue has been left hanging for so many years. Matagal man, baka mamatay na ako, hindi na nila ako maimbestiga. Am I that stupid? English yan. Ang Tagalog niyan is ganun ako gagago. Abogado ako, fiscal ako, ganun ako gagago.
Ang reported lamang po na namatay is ay almost 20,000 to 30,000. So, were you disappointed on this, Mr.
Kulang.
Kulang?
Mr. Chair, yes or no? Davao style.
Do not ask me to answer yes or no. You are not an investigator.
Pwede, papayag ako, sampalin nyo ako, pero pirma muna kayo sa waiver.
Sampaling ko siya sa publiko.
Hindi, wala naman.
Ngayon na.
Noong pong first SONA, linapitan niya ako. Kinamayan pa niya ako.